Welcome to the programming guide for your new Hotwire HWTS1 Wi-Fi thermostat. This video will show you how to connect to your thermostat and program it on the app. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Tuya app. Once you've got it downloaded, you'll need to sign in and create an account. Then your screen should look like this. To connect it to your thermostat, simply press the plus button at the top and add device. Then you'll need to tell your thermostat to look for the Wi-Fi network. Press Menu and Advanced Settings. Press Next, Next, right through to Wi-Fi Settings. Press the arrow and select App Mode. Now return to your phone. The Wi-Fi has found your thermostat, so select it, enter your Wi-Fi password, and the screen will show your thermostat being added. It may take a minute or so. You can see that your thermostat has now been successfully added to your Tuya app. Press Done, and you can now program your thermostat 100% from your app. To operate in manual mode, simply select manual mode at the bottom and confirm. Then you can adjust the temperature on your screen up or down accordingly. To program on a schedule, press the week program, select the day you wish to program, and then the first period 1 is where your thermostat will switch on in the morning. So select the side arrow and you can adjust the time that your thermostat will switch on and change the name if you like as well. Then select the temperature at which you'd like your thermostat to heat to and press confirm and save when you're done. Period 2 is when your thermostat will switch off in the morning. So follow the same sequence, adjust the time. We suggest you set the temperature quite low at this option so it doesn't switch on accidentally during the day. Period 3 is when your thermostat will switch on in the afternoon. So follow the same sequence as previously, select the time, select the temperature and save. Period 4 is when your thermostat will switch off in the evening. So follow the same sequence. Again, we suggest setting the target temperature quite low so it doesn't switch on during the night if you don't want it to. Return to the main screen. To adjust some of the other settings, press the setting button. You can select the child lock. You can tell the system you're going away for a number of days and want all your programming to be held so it doesn't switch on and off while you're away. You can change the floor temperature setting from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can change the sensor from room sensor to floor sensor. Some of these other settings we don't suggest you change. Right down the bottom here, if you've purchased a dual thermostat, you can adjust the timing for your heated tower rail. Simply turn it on and select the number of hours that you wish it to remain on. If you require your tower rail to follow a sequence, you'll need to return to the previous video showing you how to program your dual thermostat. That needs to be done from the menu of your thermostat. Press back to return to the main menu. If you are going on holidays, simply pressing the manual button down the bottom here, you can select auto or holiday mode. And if you set your thermostat to go away for 4 or 5 days, select holiday mode. And when you return, your thermostat will go back to your normal programming sequence. You'll notice this thermostat just switched off. And that's the programming guide for your new Hotwire HWTS1 Wi-Fi thermostat.